Hello. Welcome to my channel with Lupita there. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to be doing our avalanche method video, and I hope that you like what you see. So if you're new, welcome. You're going to find avalanche videos, cash envelopes, paycheck to paycheck, monthly budgets, among other things. So thank you so much for being here with us. So I'm going to be setting up my page. These are our December stickers that you can find on my sticker shop, Lupita's stickyshop.net. Link is down below. Okay, so let's see how we did this month. And I'm talking about November, okay? So I'm going to try to always update my avalanche around these dates of each month, because it's when payments already processed and all that stuff. Okay, so that's how we're gonna do it. So how much is your debt, you guys? Let me know if you are comfortable with sharing. Let me know down in the comments. I think last time, did I do a snowball? I did a snowball. Why am I doing an avalanche then? Okay, so it's still the same. Okay, it's still the same because freedom is my highest interest. And then this one and then this one. So freedom goes first. It doesn't matter if I choose snowball or avalanche. Okay, so if you guys have a little bit of debts, I'm saying, I don't know how much it can be a little, but let's just throw an estimate, and let's say I'm going to use myself as an example. I have 3 credit card debt, okay? And so I'm going to list them using the avalanche. I'm going to list them highest interest to lowest interest, okay? That is the method used by the avalanche. You list your highest interest so you can save money, and you leave the least one at the end. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. The snowball is so you can see results faster. Okay, that's what I've heard from a lot of people. That's why a lot of people prefer the snowball, because if you have a lot of credit card debt, like a lot of credit cards, and you start by the avalanche, it's going to take you longer, because sometimes the avalanche, the largest interest sometimes is the largest amount that you owe among your credit cards sometimes. So it takes them a longer time, and they get discouraged. They don't want to do it anymore. They give up. That's why the times I have worked with snowball or avalanche, I always choose my avalanche to be to use it towards the end. Okay, so for example, and I was doing the snowball. I honestly don't know why I got this sticker, but hey, why not? Maybe there's some of you that is looking to know what the avalanche is, so here we will learn. So my highest interest is freedom. Okay, my balance is $9.30.11. My APR is 23.74%, and my monthly payment is $40. $40. Okay. My second card is same from Chase, but it's late, and my balance here is $984.97. My APR is 22.99%. and my payment is $40. Okay, and my last one is Best Buy, and I owe $2,231 with 2 cents, and my APR is 0, and my payment is around $30. Okay, so let's close our numbers. Okay, how much is my debt as of now is $930 with 11 cents plus $984.97 plus 2,231 with 2 cents. So my debt is 4,000 $128.10. Okay, now my payment is 80, 100, 110. Okay, so let's see how much did my debt went down. Okay, so my November debt was $4,322.06. So 4,322.06 minus 4,128.10. My debt went down by so here we go. So December 4,128.10. So it went down by $193.93, which is more than my payment. As you guys can see, minus 110, I gave $83.93 extra. Okay, and you guys remember that last month I did said I was going to try to give $50 extra on my debt. I will give 50 extra. Okay, so there you go. Okay, I did it. Next month, so I will give $30 extra. Okay, and how can you help me? A lot of people sometimes ask me, how can I help you? Well, the only thing you can do for me is liking my videos, probably sharing with people that you think like this kind of videos, and watching them. That's really it. And commenting every time you have the time, or you have something, you know, to say, or, you know, anything helps, so that YouTube can promote the video to more people. That's really how you can help me. So let's go ahead and I don't know if I have it here. I totally forgot, you guys, that I had this. You guys remember this? I totally forgot about my credit card tracker. Okay, and it's not that like, oh, how can you forget? You're the one doing it. I know, but I was not doing it. And then last time when I recorded my debt update and stuff, like, ooh. So we're gonna change these numbers, okay? And we're gonna go from there. So my total debt is $4,128.10. Well, you know what? I'm just gonna start in November. Did I do one in October? So we're gonna go based on October, you guys. So it was 4,476, and it looks like 72 cents, because that's when I got on the boat, like, seriously, you know, and that I came fully to my budget and all that stuff. So let's go ahead and, so it was 4,047, 6.72 divided by 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 by 100. So each credit card is 44, and I'm just gonna round it up to 45. Okay. So 45. And my total debt is 447,672. Hopefully it doesn't smear all over, because it has happened before when I use whiteout. I don't like it. There you go. So if our debt was 4,476, that means I have brought it down by minus 4,128 and 10 cents. That doesn't make sense. 4,476.72 minus 4,128 and 10 cents by 348. And 62 cents. That means that divided by 45, seven little credit cards. We're gonna color 7 credit cards, and I will use my highlighters. Okay, so I still have a long way to go, but at least it's started. At least you know, I'm there. I'm working on it. So this is gonna help me, you know, get motivated and work harder on it. And you know, yeah, that's why we do this little fun trackers. If you're interested in this one, you can find it on my shop, LupitaStickyShop.net. I don't know if I have it on Etsy. I'll double check. But yeah, if not, just send me a message. So this is it, you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys liked it. Remember to give me a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.